Hello and welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'll show you how to stop iPhone camera shaking or vibrating. For that, just go and open your camera and go to your video, and there tap and hold the object on your screen for 2-3 seconds until you see LOA/A of lock banner. That will automatically stop from shaking. And what you can do is disable microcontrol. For that, go and open your settings and then go to your app. Go to your settings, and there you will see camera just below accessibility. Tap there and you need to find for record video, and after going on camera, just tap on this record button. Just tap on this record video that will be on first option. Scroll down, you will see lock camera, toggle on that, and that is how you can simply stop your iPhone camera shaking or vibrating. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.